Hi, my name is Michael. Today's video is brought to you by Randy I Law Office, your trusted source for employment law information. Imagine you are at the pinnacle of your career, every day greeted by familiar faces at work, a routine you've mastered. Suddenly, it all comes crashing down. You're let go, a term too polite for the turmoil it causes. You're told it's a dismissal, but the reasons blur into the background noise of your shock. The question that keeps echoing: was it justified? In Ontario, wrongful dismissal is a shadow many employees fear, but few understand. Wrongful dismissal isn't just a term, it's a breach, a violation of what you believed was a secure agreement between you and your employer. It's when they terminate your position without just cause or without the notice you're entitled to. Suddenly, terms like Bardal Factors become more than legal jargon. They're your lifeline, determining the reasonable notice period your employer should have provided. It's a complex formula, considering your service length, age, and position. You recall your first day, the years of service stretching behind you. Those years should count for something, right? The Bardal Factors agree, weighing your long service as a factor deserving of a longer notice period. Then there's age, a number that suddenly feels heavier. In the eyes of Ontario's employment law, older employees may struggle more to find new work, tipping the scales towards a more extended notice period. Your role, your responsibilities, they weren't just titles, but a measure of your commitment and expertise. The Bardal Factors consider this, understanding that higher positions might require more time to replace. What about those unique skills you brought to the table, or the limited job market? The Bardal Factors take these into account, ensuring the notice period reflects the real challenges you might face. The hunt for new work isn't just expected, it's a part of the process. Your efforts to mitigate the impact of your dismissal, to find new employment, are considered in the determination of your notice period. You're not just a number in a ledger, your rights matter. In wrongful dismissal cases, you're entitled to notice or pay in lieu of notice, a fact grounded in both your contract and provincial employment standards. Severance pay isn't just a courtesy. It's a right for those with significant service under their belts, offering a financial cushion that recognizes your contributions. The benefits you depended on, like health insurance, don't just vanish with your job. In some cases, you have the right to their continuation during the notice period, a lifeline in times of uncertainty. When the contract you relied on is broken, the law offers recourse. Breach of contract isn't just a violation of trust, it's a legal failing with potential for damages. Facing wrongful dismissal alone is daunting. The expertise of an employment lawyer can not only guide you through your rights, but help chart a course towards rectifying the wrong. The path to challenging a wrongful dismissal isn't through confrontation, but through evidence. Gathering documentation, from contracts to communications, is your first step towards justice. Negotiation, mediation, these aren't signs of weakness, but strategies. With legal guidance, these steps can often resolve the matter without the need for a courtroom. If negotiation falters, the law is your next arena. Filing a lawsuit, armed with evidence and legal support, isn't just about compensation. It's about asserting your rights, securing your professional future, and ensuring that wrongful dismissal doesn't leave your career in ruins. Would you like to learn more about your legal rights? I recommend that you contact Randy I Law Office. The employment lawyers at Randy I Law Office have helped thousands of clients just like you. Call today for a free legal consultation.